Good morning everyone. See algebraic expressions. First see add 2ab minus 7ab 2 upon 3ab 9ab. First one 5x square y minus 3x square y 1 upon 2x square y 4 upon 5x square y. Subtract minus 5xy square from minus 3xy square. Second one minus 3 upon 7x square y from 1 upon 3x square y. Now see here solution. First add what they gave 2ab minus 7ab 2 upon 3ab 9ab. Add this means first these all are terms. So addition we have to do. See all are having ab means all are like terms. So 2ab plus minus 7ab plus 2 upon 3ab plus 9ab. So I am taking 2 plus 2 minus 7 plus 2 upon 3 plus 9 into ab I took common. Okay, ab I took common. Now see here we can write. See what is LCM here? 3 is LCM. Nothing is 1. 3 2 is 6. 7 3 is 21. 2 as it is plus 2. 9 3 is 27 into AB. See once again. 2 3 is 6. 7 3 is 21. 2 9 3 is 27. Here also nothing to this. Now see 27 plus 2. 27 plus 2 29. 29. See now once again 27 plus 2 29. 29 plus 6 35. 35 minus 21. That is 14 upon 3 AB. I took AB common. Now come to second problem. What they give second? See second one. 5x square y minus 3x square y 1 upon 2x square y 4 upon 5x square y. First see x square y means like terms. You can add. So addition. So 5x square y plus minus 3x square y plus 1 upon 2x square y plus 4 upon 5x square y. Now see 5 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 4 upon 5 x square y. Here x square y is common now. So now you will see here LCM is 10. See now 10 5 is 50, 10 3 is 30. Here 2 is in 2 5 is 10. 5 into 1 5. 5 2 is 10. 2 into 4 8 into x square y. Now see 50 minus 30 20. Look at it like this. 50 plus 5 55. 55 plus 8 63. 50 plus 5 55 plus 8 63 minus 30 means 33. Otherwise you can do like this. 50 minus 30 20. 20 plus 5 25 plus 8 33 means 33 upon 10 x square y. Okay. So first one is 14 upon 3 AB. Second one is 33 upon 10 x square So here you see we did addition. Similarly now we are doing subtraction. Subtract minus 5xy square from minus 3xy square. See first one. First one see. Subtract minus 5xy square from minus 3xy square. First, whatever from this you should write first. Means minus 3xy square minus 5xy square. Here see xy square like comes on. So minus 3xy square minus plus 5xy square plus 5 minus 3 means 2xy square. Okay, this is first problem solution. Second one, see this. See second one. Second important here. Subtract minus 3 upon 7 x square y from 1 upon 3 x square. Don't get confused here. Subtract minus 3 upon 7 x square y from 1 upon 3 x square y. From what they given? From this we have to subtract this one. Means 1 upon 3 x square y minus 3 upon 7 x square y. See x square y 1 upon 3 minus plus means 3 upon 7 x square. So see 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 7 x square 1. So you will see now we come here 3 7 21. So here at last 21. With 3 divide 21. 7 will come. 7 what is 7 plus 7 3s are 21. So 7 3s are 21. 3 3s are 9. Means so this is nothing but 7 plus 9 16. So this value is 16 upon 21 x square y. So you observe here, subtract minus 5xy square from minus 3xy square means first we took this term, subtract means minus 7, again this one, minus plus minus 3xy square plus 5xy square plus 5 minus 3. Here observe xy square means plus 5 minus 3 means plus 2xy square. Second one minus 3 upon 7 x square y from 1 upon 3 x square y. First from part means 1 upon 3 x square y minus 3 upon 7 x square y minus plus 3 upon 7 x square y. So this x square y part we took common 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 7, that is 16 upon 21 x square y after LCM.